Hi everybody, if you get a chance, just pop by our website, VPNforCodi.com. We've got everything for your VPNs for whatever country you're in, and also all the best VPNs that are available. We've also got your install guides for your APKs, your builds, your best Android boxes, and everything you'd want to know about Kodi. How to unlock your Netflix outside the USA, and also how to watch BBC iPlayer outside the UK. Okay. Now, if you're looking at wanting to watch Chinese films and programs outside of China, this is the place to go. It unlocks everything. And if you also want to unlock your Hulu, this is the place where we can show you how to get it with the best VPN for it. Okay, so there you go, guys. Everything across the top of here, all your how-to guides, all your installs, everything that you'd want to know is all in there. Don't forget, it's VPNforCodi.com. Thanks very much for watching. Wow, well that is an intro to a build that you don't see every day, is it now? So just give it just a couple of seconds, let this build do a little bit of updating and just enable any of the disabled add-ons as it says on there. Now this is one thing you want to do every time you start your build up anyhow. Just give it just a few seconds, let any particular updates get themselves in place and you're all good to go. Now the build I'd like to show you is from Deviant Builds. This is about 650 megabytes in size, so it's not no little small fry in the size of builds this one, but it's still a good one. It's got a lot of good content in there. One thing I do like about it is the amount of add-ons for each category. Pretty much no stone is being unturned on this one there, so there's pretty much everything that you'd want. Looking straight in the music section, this is how we open it up. Okay, so once you've had it started, we come up to music, and as you can see straight away, we're already looking at the likes of Jukebox Hero, Goodfellas, Thunderstruck, Music Source, Pulse Jukebox, Stream Hub, Hallow, your Now Music, your Beats, your Music TV. So this is really something else where it comes to music. Pretty much music orientated. Not just saying that, once you come into your next category, you've got your documentaries, and it's got pretty much every documentaries add-on going. Well, the good ones at least anyhow. Looking at it here straight away, we've got the likes of Documentary Storm, Red Pill, Decado, White Devil. You've got Cold Keys, Serendipity, Bob's Docs, British, Quantum. You can see it yourself, they're all in there. Absolutely brilliant. Really good content in there. So the developers taken a lot of time to put good quality stuff in there. You've got a good live TV section. As I always repeat myself, this is always my least favorite, but this one, they've got pretty much everything in there, so it should cover pretty much a lot of stuff for you. I always try and find that the likes of Mavericks and Supremacy are all pretty good. Find that they work nicely. And then of course we've got a Bennu. Now obviously that's the replacement for Phoenix, and it's very good. They do seem to keep on top of it. Got good movie sites, movies, TV shows, got a good kids section in here, and it's also got a live TV section in there as well, so that's pretty good. It's got everything that you'd want. You've also got Bob Unleashed. What can I say about that? Absolutely good. You know, got everything that you'd want in there as well. It's got a lot of good content in there. If you like your horror sections, here you are. They've got one here for you. As you can see, Serial Killers, Fright Picks, Pyramid, and then Maverick, Poseidon, Tube Horror, Most Haunted, and Covenant. Okay, so that'll have all them sections that you're looking for there. It's got an all-in-one section in here as well, so the likes of UK Turks, Maverick, Supremacy, White Devil, Picasso, just to name a few. They're all in there. Quantum, as you can see, Woolpack, Vortex. It's got absolutely loads of the good all-in-ones in there. Family Guy, if you like that, it's got Supremacy in there, so it's Breedus, Cypher. So we've pretty much got all the good add-ons in one build. Got a great sports section here for you, so they've left this one pretty much the way it should be. Really good. Looking at it, Sporty, Made in Canada, Mavericks, Sports Devil, Project D, Our Sports. They're all in there. Now, adult section in there, if that's what your thing is, there's one there for you. It's not nowhere near any kids section as well, so I suppose that's one thing that's quite good about it. Favorites, you've got your system thing in there, so you can put extra add-ons, change the skin on it. This is where your video add-ons are, your music add-ons, and your program add-ons are all there. You've got your power shutdown part here as well, nice to see. And then you've got your your movie section. Now looking at that, we've got Covenant, Poseidon, Gurzel, Tinklepad, 123, Elysium, Real Movies, Maverick Movies, Cypher, Dandy Media, Specto, and Sub-Zero. So it's got them all there in that you'd want. TV shows are going to be pretty much the same. It's going to have exactly the same sources, but it's got a couple extra ones in, like a DeLorean. So that's not too bad in there. As you can see, nice section that. And then you're back to your music section. Now, as I say, this is around about 650 megabytes. They do a few other different types of builds as well, when I show you how to install it. So, if you'd like to know how to install this build, just follow the video straight afterwards. And please guys, subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care now. Okay then guys, let's show you how we actually install this build. So first things first is click on the settings button, this code wheel, and then come down to File Manager in the bottom right hand corner and just click on that. Okay, now you want to go to the left hand side and double click on Add Source, so just do that now, and this will pop up here. Now click on that one, None, and then you want to put this URL in here, so just type this in here. Just give me 1 second as I just paste it in, and it's going to be http://maverick.tv/net/mav repo. Okay, just copy it exactly like that. Now you can pause the video, and that'll probably just give you a little bit of extra time. Click on OK, and you'll see mav repo down the bottom. Now that's fine, we'll just leave that at that. Click on OK, and you can see that's gone over the left hand side. Now you want to go all the way back to your home page, so just backspace or escape twice and go to Add-ons. Just click on that now. Go up to that open box in the top left hand corner, highlighted there in blue, and just click on it. Go to Install from a zip file and just click on that now, and go to Mav Repo, third one down, or wherever it is on yours. So you just look for that and just click on it. Now you want to click on repository Gracie 2422 zip, okay, the one I've highlighted there. So just click on that and just wait. Okay, now that's probably going to take about 20-30 seconds. Now when you see this currently downloading add-ons, if it stays like that for quite a while, just come back out of it and just click on My Add-ons and then go back out, and then that'll just return back, just like this. Just click on that and then just click on that part there, and if it's gone, or it might be still currently downloaded. When that's done, just click on Install from a repository and click on Gracie. Go to Program Add-ons and click on Looking Glass Wizard and install it. Okay, now you can see the add-ons now installed, so just click on Continue and just click on Ignore. Now I always like to just go back to the home page, so just wait till these little clear and packages and thumbnails and all that, and I just backspace all the way back to the home page, and you'll see these two here, or just the one. You'll just see Looking Glass. So just click on Looking Glass Wizard, and you'll see Community Builds. Okay, just click on Community Builds, sorry, and then you'll have a list of all the builds set for Kodi Krypton and also Kodi Jarvis. And you can see we're doing the Deviant XL build today, so just work your way down to whatever one you want. You might want to change and have something different, so highlight the one you want and just click on it. So just wait for that. You'll then get this screen pop up after that, and it'll say, do you want to do fresh install or standard install? Well, we've got nothing on our Kodi, so we're going to do standard install. So just click on standard install. Just wait for the pop-up and just click on Yes Install. Okay, now that should start to now download. Now as you can see, the size of this one, it's 459. By the time it's extracted, we're looking around about 650, 670, something like that, guys. So if you like the build, please give a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Really pleasure doing these videos for you, and thank you very much for watching. Take care now. Bye.